Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the monthly collab with Poetspice, and our collab is called Gorjus Girl and Pure Innocence collab. We post the second Thursday of every single month, and she gives us a theme. So this month our theme is stormy weather, so of course you can do a VR play along, get you a chance to use a Pure Innocence or Gorjus Girl stamps, just to inspire you. So hopefully we can inspire you to be creative. I will have the list of all the other collaborators that are in the collab below. Please like and subscribe and check out their channels. These women are very creative and talented, and they took the time to create something to inspire you. And thanks for watching my channel as well. And so I don't have a lot. I don't have any Pure Innocence, but I do have a few of the Gorjus girls. So this one right here is the one that I have that relates to weather. It's with her with an umbrella, and it is called, excuse me, Puddle of Love number 16. This is the mini, and you can get these I've gotten a lot of mine from Joann's or from Etsy's, from Perry Ann Arts and Things. Both great prices. You can get these. The normal price is under $3, and then when they'll sell, you can get them for about, you know, $1. I've gotten them as low as $1.80, I think, and you know, to like a $2 1/4 when they'll sell, but you know, less than $3. So you can get 1 or 2 stamps and you can play along. But anyway, so when it came to stormy weather, I had to think about, like, okay, what can I do? So I was looking, you know, trying to use some of my dies and different punches and stuff. So I put on my Martha Stewart Cloud Punch, and I put out a little bee. I hadn't used this when I got this recently from Perry Ann Arts and Things, so I was glad to pull this out and use that. And because I remember I had the word showers in it. And then I also used my little Memory Decks punch, and I used my little corner rounder, and I used a Sizzix 12, excuse me, grass die, which you'll see in the cards. So what I did was, when I thought of stormy weather, I thought about what the stormy weather produces. Well, you know, May is coming up. April showers bring May flowers. So I thought this was a good stamp set to pull from. And I could have used some other stamps. I had some other stamps that had some sentiments, but this was nearby because I was making some labels. So this is perfect. So for this one, I made a card, and this is a standard A2 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 starred out card out of 110 pound card stock. So I just used her. I cut her out, fussy cut her out. I did 4 of her, and 4 different ones for 4 different projects. But anyway, I colored it with my Spectra Noir, punched out my cloud. This one is with the shimmery silvery paper. Some of them are just with regular gray. And then I punched out this flower up here and just put some bling in it, because when you get showers, you bloom. And whether that's, you know, the natural or in the spiritual meaning, you bloom if you allow yourself in the dark parts when you have a storm, you know, the showers that come in your life. We always think it's the end all because you go through something horrific, but it's not. You can use your pain to propel you. So that's kind of the way I thought about it. So I was saying, like, okay, let's say something encouraging. If you have showers, you bloom. You think about it, you know, naturally, showers make our flowers bloom. So they can make us bloom as well if we don't harden our heart. So that was my card. And then I decided, you know, just did like I did in January. I also made a iCAD index card, IC 4x6. So that's IC is a 4x6 or ICAD index card a day, and they just say that because a lot of people do like a 30-day challenge, so they call them iCads, but it's an IC, same thing. So in this one, I took the same things, and this is the negative of this showers cloud right there, and just put that right there. And this is just with the gray, and that says bloom. That's the butterflies and the flowers, and that's that grass dye. And that's her right there. And again, you know, just saying bloom. And showers bloom, and they bloom flowers if you allow it. And then I did a Memory Decks MD. I used a different sentiment from off that one. That one says smile, and the butterfly and the flowers right there, and a little bit of bling. And the grass dyes, 2 different grass dyes. The 661, and then this grass dye is actually from right here. So I use that, and that's where bloom on top, the flowers in the background is a bird, and this is just a regular gray, and that's her. So real quickly, I use that die. So everything but the spring and the sun I use from off of here. And then the scissors die and this punch. So I will show you real quick those projects. So this is my ATC artist trading card, 2.5 by 3.5, which is equal to a baseball card or a standard playing deck of cards. So it says bloom. As you can all see, this one just says bloom and smile on my MD Memorex card. And then on my iCAD, it showers bloom. And then on my card, it showers bloom. So they match, but they don't match. So that is my project for this month on stormy weather and using a Gorjus girl. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.